KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to color a Christmas fairy princess. Let's start by coloring. Red color. First, I am coloring its hair with red color. I love fairy very much. I like to draw red hair. Color its hair bun.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Oh, this little fairy is looking so nice. Pink color. I am coloring its teeth and its flower on her head. Now I am going to color its face and its body. You can color with me. I am coloring its cute face. Color another side. I am coloring its ears. Let's color its neck and its arm. Another arm. Then I am going to color its leg. Another leg. Let's color in a fairy frock. I love green Christmas frock very much. I love this fairy. Let's color the frog layer. First layer. Second layer. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and share. Third layer.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to
Fourth layer. And the last one, fifth one. Let's color its shoes. Red color. Let's color its frog boot on her belly. I am coloring its shoes with red color. Let's color the Christmas flower with red and green color. I'm going to color its wings. You can color with me. Sky blue color. Let's draw another side. I like to draw its wings. Light blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
The first wing is almost done. Let's make another wing. Hope you will enjoy this video. The second wing is almost done. This Christmas fairy is looking so nice.
Subscribe us for more videos.